Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest air fryer frozen french fries in just 20 minutes in your air fryer. This is actually one of the top search recipes on my website, and yet all it is frozen french fries. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to need 16 ounces of frozen french fries, garlic salt to taste, and grapeseed oil spray. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and coat the basket of your air fryer with the grapeseed oil spray, and then we are just going to pour in the french fries. You can use any type of frozen french fries or potatoes that you want to use. This works with tater tots or whatever you want to do. So I am putting that in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of garlic salt. I like to add it more at the end so that we can taste it and make sure we don't add too much. So once you've got that in there, you're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then open up the lid carefully, mix it all up, add a little bit more garlic salt and spray if you need to, and then cook for 5 to 10 minutes longer until it's nice and crispy. So now it is all done. I'm adding a little bit more garlic salt to taste before we serve it, and I'm going to mix it up again. And then you have these easy french fries that are nice and crispy without all the oil to serve alongside air fryer hamburgers or chicken nuggets, whatever you want to do. So this is how you make easy air fryer frozen french fries. You can make this in the Ninja Foodi using the air crisp function, and you can find this full recipe over on airfryerfanatics.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for joining in today.